but because you remember they had been fully supportive of the president. Let's take a look back at some of these senators and what they said about the rollout. Listen.
You can keep the doctors you know and trust. You keep the insurance you have, if you like it.
If you like what you have today, that will be what you have when this legislation is passed.
I'm not going to support a health care reform plan that's going to take away health care that you've got right now or a health care plan that you like.
If you have coverage and you like it, you can keep it. If you have your doctor and you like him or her, you should be able to keep them as well.
If you got a doctor now, you got a medical professional you want, you get to keep that. If you have an insurance program or a health care policy you want, the idea is to make sure you keep it.
I like what I have. Would you please leave me alone? And the answer is yes. In fact, we guarantee it.
In fact, one of our core principles is that if you like the health care you have, you can keep it.
People who like their insurance and their doctors, keep them.
Those individuals who like the coverage they already have will be able to keep their current plan.
Really? Because last time I checked, I think 5 million Americans already have lost their plan.
Well, when Senator Dick Durbin says we're going to leave you alone,
right,
that's your cue to buy real estate in New Zealand, because that's not going to happen. And by the way, the president on Thursday came out and said, and I'm quoting, "It's very important to remember that I'm not the only one who promised you could keep your health care plan if you liked it. Congress promised it too."
Right.
So he's spreading the blame around too, and they're acutely aware of that. They lost 63 seats over this just a few years ago in the 2010 midterms, and they're preparing to do the same now. They are desperately trying to run away from the White House, but tape like this makes it pretty hard.